Welcome to the Classic Car Quiz Show. Can you identify 20 iconic cars from the 1970s just by looking at a picture? Let's see how many keychains you can collect. Here's a true classic, but do you know it? Could it be A, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, B, 1974 Ford Mustang, C, 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass, or D, 1971 Buick Skylark? If you said A, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, you're right. Think you can recognize this legend. Is it A, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette, B, 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner, C, 1971 Dodge Charger, or D, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle? The answer is B, 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Here's a muscle car icon. Know it? Is it A, 1970 AMC Rebel Machine, B, 1972 Ford Gran Torino, C, 1971 Chevrolet Nova, or D, 1973 Dodge Challenger? The answer is D, 1973 Dodge Challenger. Can you identify this classic car? Could this be A, 1975 Mercury Marquis, B, 1974 Chevrolet Vega, C, 1973 Dodge Dart, or D, 1972 Ford Maverick? The answer is D, 1972 Ford Maverick. Only the true fans will know this one. Is it A, 1974 AMC Matador, B, 1976 Buick Electra, C, 1972 Chrysler Newport, or D, 1975 Dodge Dart? The answer is A, 1974 AMC Matador. Spot this car's silhouette. Could it be A, 1973 Pontiac Catalina, B, 1975 Ford LTD, C, 1977 Chevrolet Impala, or D, 1976 Mercury Montego? It's A, 1973 Pontiac Catalina. Only experts will recognize this beauty. Is it A, 1978 Oldsmobile Toronado, B, 1972 Mercury Montego, C, 1974 Plymouth Duster, or D, 1976 AMC Matador? The answer is C, 1974 Plymouth Duster. This classic stole the spotlight. Could this be A, 1971 Dodge Super B, B, 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, C, 1973 Plymouth Barracuda, or D, 1977 Pontiac Bonneville? The answer is C, 1973 Plymouth Barracuda. Know this sleek classic? Is it A, 1973 Buick Riviera, B, 1970 Ford Mustang, C, 1974 Dodge Charger, or D, 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix? If you guessed A, 1973 Buick Riviera, you're right. Can you identify this iconic muscle car? Is it A, 1975 Plymouth Satellite, B, 1974 Dodge Challenger, C, 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, or D, 1971 AMC Javelin? Correct answer, D, 1971 AMC Javelin. Here's a classic with a bold statement. Could it be A, 1970 Cadillac DeVille, B, 1976 Lincoln Continental, C, 1974 Pontiac GTO, or D, 1973 Ford Maverick? The answer is A, 1970 Cadillac DeVille. Do you recognize this memorable car? Is it A, 1970 Dodge Super B, B, 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, C, 1971 Plymouth GTX, or D, 1973 Ford Torino? Answer C, 1971 Plymouth GTX. Perfect. This one's a classic worth guessing. Is it A, 1975 Oldsmobile Omega, B, 1974 Ford Falcon, C, 1972 Dodge Polara, or D, 1976 Mercury Cougar? The answer is D, 1976 Mercury Cougar. A favorite among collectors. What is it? Could this be A, 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, B, 1978 Buick Regal, C, 1975 AMC Gremlin, or D, 1976 Ford Gran Torino? The answer is C, 1975 AMC Gremlin. Here's a legend for the pros. Is it A, 1971 Pontiac Le Mans, B, 1970 Dodge Challenger TA, C, 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, or D, 1974 Plymouth Valiant? If you said B, 1970 Dodge Challenger TA, you nailed it. Every muscle car fan dreams of this one. Could it be A, 1976 Pontiac Grand Am, B, 1974 Buick Apollo, C, 1970 Ford Torino Cobra, or D, 1973 Chevrolet Camaro? The answer is C, 1970 Ford Torino Cobra. Is a true classic. Can you name it? Is it A, 1973 Ford Pinto, B, 1975 Buick Century, C, 1976 Dodge Monaco, or D, 1974 Chevrolet Caprice? The answer is A, 1973 Ford Pinto. How about this classic car trivia? Could this be A, 1970 AMC Hornet, B, 1974 Oldsmobile Omega, C, 1975 Pontiac Bonneville, or D, 1972 Chevrolet Nova? The answer is D, 1972 Chevrolet Nova. This is a challenge for true enthusiasts. Is it A, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, B, 1974 Plymouth Scamp, C, 1977 Dodge Monaco, or D, 1972 Lincoln Mark IV? If you said A, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, well done. Think you can name this finishing touch? Is it A, 1974 Dodge Polara, B. 1979 Lincoln Continental, C. 1975 Chevrolet Malibu, or D. 1976 Pontiac Firebird? The answer is D. 1976 Pontiac Firebird. Good job! How many keychains did you get?